Mr. Balaraju Chinthala.
Rekharai as a student of hers from 1988 to 1991. I heard about SHARK when I joined in a Bachelor of Speech Pathology and Audiology in Ali Awarjing National Institute for the Hearing Handicapped in Bombay when she was the director there. So we have a long relationship with SHARK and also Mrs. Rekharai. The main discussion here is the Speaker of the Year. I don't know what to cover here, but so we are going to talk a little more about how teachers and parents and other team members, including medical professionals, can work with children with hearing handicap. Every child deserves no less than the right to achieve their full life of potential. By recognizing the signs of hearing impairment early, parents can seek effective treatments that can dramatically improve their child's future. Our future lies with our most valuable resource, children. In an increasingly complex world, language and literacy skills are the keys to success. Yet, many children are falling behind. Speech-language pathologists are uniquely qualified to act as classroom consultants in the area of vocabulary development. Their academic preparation in the area of language makes them valuable experts on school-based teams.
এই মুহূর্তে যাকে কিছু বলার জন্য অনুরোধ করব, তিনি আজকের এই অনুষ্ঠানে প্রধান অতিথি।
In consultation with Mrs. Roy, we have established some short and long-term goals that we intend to pursue to meet the needs of SHARK. Among the short-term goals, we want to create a fully functional SHARK website. We have initiated this effort by hosting the site from US. The website address is www.shark.com. There are very rudimentary information on the website at present, and we'll be working through the next year to upgrade the design and information content of the website. One of our members, Dr. Dilip Shon, is spearheading this effort. Secondly, we have initiated an effort to prepare a worthwhile brochure in full color to be printed in the US, which is a magnificent contribution by one of our members, Mr. Omio Shamanto. Dr. Raman Dey, an architect and a writer, has taken the responsibility for compiling the brochure. Thirdly, to market the handicraft and artwork of SHARK students overseas. Thanks to some quick action by SHARK staff and very generous gesture by one of our members, Mrs. Shrutapa Biswas, we were able to air freight over 700 newer greeting cards, which we distributed in the US. I'm very happy to let you know that these cards have caused the name of SHARK to be known a little better across US. We will continue to expand this activity in the future. Among the long-term goals that we have, we would like to work with SHARK staff to improve and augment current computer hardware and networking capabilities. Secondly, to generate funds from individuals and corporations, foundations to meet SHARK's need for building construction, equipment, books, etc. I'm very pleased to inform you that SHARK has already received a donation from Dr. Santanu Das through his Das Family Foundation. SHARK has also received several individual donations this year from the US, and we will continue to work on this to expand the list of donors that we have right now. We already had some discussion with SHARK management regarding attracting potential donors by offering some tangible recognition to the donors.
এবছর আমাদের আগে টোকেন যেটা সিলভার জুবিলি সেটা আমাদের টিচাররা সবাইকে দেবেন। টোকেন এবছর যে টোকেনটা বানানো হয়েছে সেটা সবাইকে দেবেন। আমরা বিশেষ কিছু গিফট কাউকে দিচ্ছি না, তবে যেটা দিচ্ছি সেটা আপনারা ফেলতে পারবেন না বা নষ্ট করতেও পারবেন না। আর আমাদের একটু প্রোটোকলের গোলমাল হচ্ছে, স্পেশালি মিস্টার ঘোষের চোখে খুব লাগবে, বিং অ্যান্ড হাই-ফাই IAS অফিসার, বাট উই আর বাউন্ড টু মেক মিস্টেকস। মিসেস চন্দ্রর গিফটটা, মিস্টার চন্দ্রর গিফটটা একসঙ্গে আমরা দেব। আমরা আরও দুজন ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্টকে এবার বেস্ট জিবি এবং লং সার্ভড জিবি, তারা হচ্ছেন ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট মিস্টার BK চন্দ্র। আপনারা একটু হাততালি দিন, সবাই আপনারা মিস্টার চন্দ্রকে চেনেন। আর প্রফেসর একেন ঘোষ, ওনাকে আপনারা ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট হিসেবেও চেনেন এবং আপনাদের অনেকেরই উনি ফ্রি চিকিৎসাও করেছেন।
It took us over 27 years to arrive at this day. It's a long-awaited, auspicious occasion. Sharp had humble beginning, rugged infancy, tough childhood, and struggling teens to youth. They have been mostly worthwhile, carrying a few which make me little impatient. The child is a child first, and child with disability is no exception. 10% of our population is posed with challenges. They have special needs. Sharp strongly believes that given the opportunity, this child can surely become differently able and contributory members of the society. Their vote and deserve political will to enjoy mainstream like you and me.
এবারে অনুরোধ করবো শ্রী সমীর কুমার মুখার্জিকে কিছু বলার জন্য।
I welcome you all the happy parents, ladies and gentlemen, and if there is any youngsters. And it was a delightful and dedication. I'm really grateful, and I'm sure we'll all be able to help and assist in whatever capacity we can, and that will be a tremendous step forward. And I welcome you all, and thank you very much for inviting me here.
Mr. Mukherjee will join in our overseas support group, which is initiated by Dr. Shubir Sen abroad and supported by Mr. Balaraju, Sheila Ditto, and many more. Especially Shantanu, again, is a friend of mine, basically. And then Dilip Shom and many others have helped us. We have a very strong overseas টেকনিক্যাল কমিটি, যারা আপনাদের ককলিয়ার ইমপ্লান্ট এবং হায়ার এডুকেশন, ইন্টিগ্রেটেড এডুকেশন, আর আমরা ককলিয়ার ইমপ্লান্টের 7 লাখ টাকা উইদাউট এনি গ্যারান্টি অ্যান্ড হায়ার এডুকেশন, যেটা এক্ষুনি মিস্টার ঘোষ বললেন যে আমরা অত খরচের কথা এখন ভাবতে পারছি না, কিন্তু কম খরচে হার্ডওয়ার্ক and strong motivation with very stronger convictions কি করতে পারে সার্কের উচিত। It's high time to show সেই রাস্তা। তো স্যার, আপনাদের সবার সাহায্যে should march forward. We have a younger GB because the GB that I belong to is over 27 years old. Some of us are no longer there. So we have a comparatively younger GB. We need more young people. I'm very supportive of my staff. আমি এরকম staff কজন আপনারা পেয়েছেন জানি না। আমি বলতে পারি যে I'm one of the very, very fortunate, and I'm sure you will all agree with me. Regarding parents of children, no comparison. আমার প্যারেন্টসরা আজকের ফাংশনে দিদি আপনার কারণ আমাদের গ্রান্ট আসেনি, সো সিলভার জুবিলি ইয়ারে প্রশ্ন ওঠে না, বললো কেন নয় দিদি, আমরা তো আছি। And most of them come from below the poverty line. Even then, many of our activities are sponsored by many people, and my parents of my children have come forward with whatever they could.
Wow.
Thank you.